Alright, so this is going to be setting up the development environment for the OVA on MCUXpresso. This is going to be for the K66 NXP chip, and it's going to be running PX4, so this is going to be able to build and flash the K66 board. So when you start off, we're going to need to make sure we have the Freedom K66F SDK installed, and once that is done, we will come into the IDE, and this is what it's going to look like. Okay, so you're going to need to clone the PX4 repository into your source file, and once you do that, and I'll provide a link on the command for that, and once you do that, you come to New Project, and under C++, you're going to click Make File Project, and you can name it whatever you'd like. For this video, I'm going to do Dev Setup, and we'll pick the file location. So for this video, I have it right here. You're going to need to click on the PX4 firmware file and click OK. And here you're going to need to click NXP MCU Tools and then click Finish. And once you do that, you will see it over here on the left. You're going to need to click on it and then click Project and Properties. And under the C++ menu, you're going to click MCU Settings. And here you're going to see the MK66 board. You're going to make sure that's checked, and you can click Apply. And then you're going to click on the C++ build here, and what you're going to do under Builder Settings, we're going to uncheck this box and leave only Make for the build command. And once you do that, come over to the Behavior tab, and in the Build Incremental Build, type in NXP FMUK66-V3 default. And right here, we're going to need to type dist clean instead of just clean. So once you have these here, we can click Apply one more time, and we're going to come up here to Manage Configurations. And we're going to want to rename this. So we can make it PX4 FMUK66 default. It's not a big deal what you name it, it's just helpful to keep it all in track. And click OK. And then we're going to click Apply and Close. So once you do that, we will have the build configuration done. So now we're going to set up the run configuration. So we'll be able to flash the board with just a USB cable, as long as the board has the bootloader installed. So we're going to come over here, click Run Configurations, and we're going to click this top C++ application here, and we're going to click the new box. And once that pulls up, we're going to have this window. We're going to want to name it whatever you'd like. It's helpful to add USB so you know that this is the configuration that will run on just a USB cable. And here we're going to need to type /user/bin/make. And once that is done, we're going to come over here to Arguments. We're going to type NXP FMUK66-V3 default space upload. And once you have that done, we're going to go into the Common tab, and we're just going to make sure that this Run checkmark is checked. And here we're going to click Apply, and we can close out of this box. So we will just test it right now. We're going to click Clean, and it worked. And we're going to click Build, and it'll take some time to build all of the software. But once you do that, and as long as you have the K66 plug into your USB cable, once it is done building, you will be able to come up here and click the one you just set up, which will be the USB run. And one thing you got to keep track of is sometimes the board will restart, and it'll lose track in the USB, so you just need to make sure that you come down here, right click on the USB icon, and make sure the K66 board has a check on it. Sometimes it'll disconnect while it's running, and it won't run until you come over here and recheck the USB pass-through. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.